Hey y'all, today I'm taking a little break from holiday decor and I'm going to be planting some Lisianthus and some Pansies. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up, and make sure you follow me on TikTok. Okay, you guys, here are my Lisianthus that I grew from seed. Now, I don't know what this is. I think this is actually a delphinium seed that was left over in there. I'm not sure it is, but all of these are Lisianthus seeds. I grew two varieties, Mariachi Lavender Lisianthus and Magic Apricot Lisianthus. Now, I filled this entire seed tray. You can see on the Mariachi, I probably had about 60 to 70% germination rate. And on the Magic Apricot, I had maybe less than 25%, y'all. So not very much. However, there's two in each of these, 2 and 3. So I'm going to see if I can gently pull these apart and plant them all, get more plants from it. And I believe this is a delphinium, so I'll pop this in somewhere else as well. And so my Lisianthus, this is my first year growing them. I'm not going to plant them in the ground. I'm going to plant them in these containers that have a really good, well-draining soil. I think that that'll be a better situation, controlled situation for Lisianthus, since they can be pretty finicky. But yeah, I'm going to try them out on this first. This soil is all brand new and it's already charged with compost, so I'm not going to be adding an additional fertilizer here. All right, let's get going. Okay, I'm going to finish working on this area right here. You probably remember from a past video where I filled this with blotch white pansies, purple pansies, and white cabbage and red cabbage. And now I'm going to work in this area right here. Let me show you what I've got. I'm going to be working with penny blue violas. I'm going to be working with, I don't know the variety of this, but these kind of like red and maroon violas. And I'm going to be working with these sweet little purple violas with yellow centers. And I'm going to be working in color blocks with those. So I'm going to put all of one color together to kind of create more of a pattern across that area. Let's get started. Okay, I've got all those in, and so you can see the penny blue into the burgundy, the dark purple with yellow face violas in the back, and then it goes into all the other ones that I have back there. And so you can see that as time goes on and this fills in, it'll be this beautiful saturated concentration of purples, blues, burgundies, and whites, which should be absolutely stunning. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.